Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Accumetric Boss 820 Pool and Spa Silicone Lubricant. The Boss 820 Pool and Spa Silicone Lube is a non-corrosive, water-resistant, and non-solidifying compound that provides superb lubrication for rubber O-rings. Boss 820 Pool and Spa Lube is a silicon dioxide thickened high molecular weight dimethyl polysiloxane-based material. It is a stiff, tacky dielectric compound with excellent water repellency. Excellent release agent and lubricant for rubber and plastic parts such as O-rings, valves, or plastic gears. Product benefits: water-resistant and non-solidifying. Superb lubrication for rubber O-rings. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.